welcome to episode 4 of Artistry Unleashed. I'm your host, Aman. In today's video, we are going to be diving into the world of art. For those of you who are new, this is basically an art series created for beginner artists who want to learn how to start creating art. And this is episode 4, so if you're coming new and you've missed the previous episodes, be sure to watch those first before you move to episode 4. The link for each of those videos are just above here. Today's topic is going to be all about lines. Now, lines plays a biggest role when it comes to creating art. And a lot of artworks we see, along with different shapes, we also see a different sorts of lines as well that we will be getting to get an understanding in today's episode. If I were to define lines in the art world, I would say that lines are basically storytellers. In a way, they convey emotion, movement, in turning simple sketches and drawings into beautiful, mesmerizing creations. Without taking much of your guys' time, let's dive into the video, and without further ado, let's begin with the video. To begin, we're gonna first start with learning about different kinds of lines. Let's take a look at some of the examples of different types of lines. Starting off with making our very first line, which is just a straight line, as you can see. Now, lines can be long or short, depending upon the kinds of lines, because there are also different types of lines. The next line is called a swirly line. It's basically a swirl. As you can see, it goes kind of like low from the bottom and then high and then goes low back again. So this is what we call a swirly line. Now, this next line is basically a zigzag line. Now, we've probably seen a lot of these lines in a lot of artworks, and this is a very basic, very simple line to make. As you can see, it goes high from the top and then low from the bottom. Same thing. They kind of look like mini mountains. That's the way how I like to call them. They're zigzags, but then from here they kind of look like mountains. The next one I like to call it is basically waves, because they kind of have a nice little like point from the top and then low from the bottom. It goes a little curvy from the bottom and then it kind of gives it a shape like they're like ocean waves. Here we have some shorter lines. Here's another kind of swirly line. We have some more shorter lines. They basically kind of look like dots. Some diagonal lines. We got some vertical lines. And so on. There's so many lines that you can explore, but these are basically the basics of the kinds of lines that we get to see a lot in most of the artworks. Now, let's make a quick and easy little artwork using these lines. So the space that I have empty next to my page, I'm just going to be making a quick and easy artwork. Like I said, it's all about using your creativity. You can follow what artwork I'm making, but if you want to kind of go a bit different with your artwork and use different sorts of lines, go ahead and use that. I'm just simply making some horizontal and vertical lines right now, using two different kinds of colors. I'm just gonna fill out this little box with different sorts of lines that we got to learn about today. And once your beautiful art piece is complete, this is how it should look like, adding on the colors. That is it. I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video, and I do hope that today's video was able to give you a great learning experience and be able to teach you something new. If you liked today's video, be sure to give this video a like, comment down below, let me know what other great video topics that you want to see on this channel, and also any upcoming art series that you would love to see. Be sure to comment down below, share it with your friends or family, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit that bell icon so you never miss any of my posts. If you want to share your beautiful artworks, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. My socials are just above here. And if you want to watch more fun, easy arts and crafts videos, you can also follow me on TikTok. My socials are just up here. And that is it for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. I will see you in our last video, which would be episode 5. Basically, we're going to be putting everything all together to create beautiful projects. I'm so excited to see you in our next video, or should I say in our next episode. So in the meantime, take care, stay creative, and remember, your imagination has no limits. Take care, and I will see you in our next episode. Bye for now.